In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag on Discord. If your calls stutter, screen shares feel choppy, or the app takes a second to respond when you switch channels, these two quick settings can make a big difference. We'll keep it simple and focus on changes you can switch on or off at any time. First, open Discord and look to the bottom left of the window. Click the small gear icon to open user settings. In the sidebar, find the Appearance section. Scroll to the advanced area inside Appearance and turn off Hardware Acceleration. Hardware Acceleration hands off some of Discord's visual work to your graphics card. That can be great on some systems, but on others, especially if your GPU is older, running many tasks, or if drivers aren't playing nicely, it can actually cause lag and stuttering. Disabling it tells Discord to render using your CPU instead, which often results in a smoother, more consistent experience. When you flip this switch, Discord may prompt you to restart the app to apply the change. Go ahead and allow that. A quick restart helps ensure the setting takes effect right away and lets you feel the difference as soon as you come back. Next, while you're still in user settings, scroll down to Game Overlay. Open that section and turn off the in-game overlay. The overlay places a small Discord window on top of your games, so you can see who's talking or quickly respond without tabbing out. It's convenient, but it also draws extra resources and hooks into whatever game you're running. On some systems, that overhead can cause input delay, frame drops, or audio hiccups, especially in fast-paced titles. Disabling the overlay removes that extra layer, which often reduces conflicts and frees up performance for both your game and Discord. If you miss the overlay later, you can always come back and turn it back on for specific games. But for minimizing lag, keeping it off is a solid default. That's all you need to do. With hardware acceleration off and the in-game overlay disabled, you've eliminated two common sources of Discord lag. Take a moment to hop into a voice channel or try a quick screen share to feel the improvement. If things are smoother now, you're set. And remember, these changes are fully reversible. So if you prefer the look of hardware acceleration, or you want the overlay for a particular game, you can toggle them back at any time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Discord experience.